Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the phone off. This prevents data write issues and accidental contacts. Once done, place the phone face up on a flat surface under good light. Identify the tiny hole next to the SIM tray, then insert the eject pin straight and steady. Do not wiggle. Apply gentle pressure until the tray pops out about 1-2 mm. If it resists, stop and reposition the pin. Forcing can bend the tray or damage the mechanism. You now pull the tray straight out using 2 fingers or tweezers. Avoid twisting, which stresses the rail. Once the tray is free, lift the SIM and micro SD out, keeping the gold contacts facing down as they were seated. Inspect both the tray and slot with a bright light. Look for lint, debris, or bent pins. If you find dust, use a can of compressed air short bursts away from the phone. Do not insert objects into the slot. Keep parts organized for reassembly. You place the SIM back into the tray in the same orientation. Make sure it sits completely flush. Slide the tray back into the slot straight and gentle until it clicks. Power on the device and check the signal bars and SIM settings to confirm recognition. If the phone shows no SIM, turn it off and repeat the steps. Clean the gold contacts with a lint-free cloth or 90% isopropyl on the cloth, or try a different SIM to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.